Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Mr. Gulfam, most of us, face this problem that whenever we start offering prayer, whenever we start reciting Holy Quran, or we try to fulfill other religious obligations, we start yawning, and we feel, kind of laziness, and we don't want to do that thing. Is it related to spiritual issue, or is it a medical issue? What do you say about this?
So, Mr. Salman, it's a common problem. Most of us face this problem, and different people they complain us that they feel this problem. They are sitting easy, and then sitting relaxed, and they are doing their different domestic works with easiness, and they don't feel any problem. But when they stand up for offering prayer, or when they start reciting Holy Quran, or when they start reading an Islamic book, so instantly they start yawning, and sometimes water starts coming out of their eyes. Okay, so some people is of the opinion that it is because of jinn possession. So it has nothing to do with jinn possession. It has nothing to do with jinn possession. It can be because of evil eye. There can be different reasons. For example, if you have not taken plenty of sleep, so you feel tired, you have done some work, and you're feeling drowsy, so it can be reason of yawning. But if you are not feeling drowsy, if you are not tired, if you are not feeling fatigued, and then you are yawning, and especially during offering prayer, especially during the recitation of Holy Quran, so it is because of evil eye. And to check this problem, that is it because of evil eye, or is it because of something else, so stop reciting Holy Quran, stop reciting that Islamic book. So if after stopping recitation or reading of that book you don't yawn, so it means it is because of evil eye. And some spiritual healers, they are of the opinion that it is because of evil eye that is caused by a jinn. This evil eye, this type of evil eye, is not caused by a human being. It is caused by a jinn.
So I guess this will be the new thing for most of our audience.
So it
that
may be
evil eye can be caused by a jinn, by a demon.
Yes, it can be caused by human beings, and it can be caused by demons and jinns. So if the person is only yawn during recitation of Holy Quran, or during offering that his prayers, so it means he is under the evil eye of a jinn. He is under this problem. So how can we cure this problem? So to cure this problem, there are different supplications, there are different du'as that has been taught by Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and that a'udhu bi kalimatillahi tamma min kulli shaytanin waham wa min kulli ainil lamma. Recite this supplication as much as you can. A'udhu bi kalimatillahi tamma min kulli shaytanin waham wa min kulli ainil lamma. And there is another supplication that is taught by Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Bismillahi arqini min kulli shay'in yuzini min sharri kulli nafsin aw ainin hasidin Allahu yashfini. So these are the two supplications that are given by Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam to cure evil eye. And there are two other chapters, there are two other surahs, chapter Al-Falaq and chapter An-Nas. Recite these chapters as much as you can, and if you can, you should recite these chapters and then blow into the water, and then pour that water on your head. Take bath with that water, and with the will of Almighty, this problem will vanish away. So it can be yawning during recitation of Holy Quran, and yawning especially on these moments during offering prayer, and during reading an Islamic book. This yawning can be caused by evil eye, that is caused by a jinn. So to cure this thing, to cure this problem, recite chapter Falaq and chapter An-Nas, and two other supplications that are taught by Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and this problem with the help of Almighty will went away.
Thank you so very much, Mr. Gulfam. For the ease of our audience, we'll put these supplications in the description given below. Thank you so very much.